Hello my friends, welcome back in my channel, and let me start today's video. Today's video will be about the B-roll. The agency really, all agency love B-roll. It's the secret sauce of stock footage. It is what agencies crave, editors rely on, and creators cannot get enough of. But here is the thing. Not all B-roll is created equal. Some clips get downloaded thousands of times, and other it is on your portfolio like forgotten leftovers. Today I really would like to talk about some B-roll that agency actually really love, the kind that sells, gets used in commercials and makes your portfolio stand out. Before we even touch a camera, let's talk about what agency actually look for. Three things really matter most. Story, it's really important. Even a 5 seconds clip need a clear idea. Is it productivity, wellness, travel, family? If the viewer cannot tell what the clips is about instantly, it will not sell. It is. I think it's really pretty normal. Number two, it's usability. Editors want to footage they can drop into a project without fighting it. This means clean backgrounds, smooth motion, no logos, no clutter. And number three, it's emotion. Yes, even B-roll needs feeling, calm, energetic, cozy, focused, whatever the vibes is, make it intentional. There are certain actions that agency cannot get enough of. These are the universal evergreen moments that fit into almost any project. Here are just the top ones, what is right now in my head. Hands typing, pouring coffee or water, walking shoes, opening a laptop, writing in a notebook, using a smartphone, cooking or preparing food. This is really very important B-roll for any user. These are simple, repeatable, and incredibly sellable. If you are overstuck on what to shoot, start really right here. You don't need a cinema camera to make beautiful B-roll. You just need to think like filmmaker. Tip number one: use movement with purpose. Don't just move the camera because you can. Try push ins, pull out, slow pans. It's many different shooting you can do. Tracking hands, movement should support the story, not distract from it. Shoot in sequences. Agency love variety instead of one clip shoot. A wide angle, medium, close-up shoot, and details shoot is really always great because you have really all small series. This gives editors option and it increases your chance of multiple sales and downloads. Light is everything. Natural Windows light is your best friend. Turn off overhead lights, use reflectors, and keep shadows soft. Good light mean instant production value. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. A clean frame sells any clutter. Hide cords, wipe surfaces, remove brand item, simplify the background, and this People will love it. Agency want footage that feels universal, not footage that screams, oh, this is my living room, this is my kitchen. They want something a little bit different. This is where most creators go wrong. They shoot what they think looks cool, not shoot what editors actually need. This is more important than what you need because you are a seller. Editors want neutral color palette, steady shoots, slow controlled motion, negative space for text, clips that look cleanly. If you give editors what they need, your clips will get used in ads, documentaries, or corporate videos everywhere. Here is a quick comparison between bad B-roll and good B-roll. Bad B-roll is if it's really shaky handheld, distracting background, harsh lighting, no clear subject. This is bad. Nobody will buy video footage like that. Good B-roll have to be with smooth movement, clean, simple composition, with soft light and clear action. It is really not about the gear, it is about intention. If you want to shoot like a pro, build a simple shoot list before you start. I do always same. I put on the paper what I really want. Here is like quick example. Work from home. The time I let's say I say opening laptop, typing, writing notes, pouring coffee, phone on desk, close-up of hands, and or white shoot of workspace. This is my plan, and I will try follow that. That is a full mini collection right there. B-roll is one of the easiest way to build your strong stack agency portfolio. And once you understand what agency want, it becomes almost effortless. You will do automatically. Shoot with intention. Keep it clean. Tell a story, and your clips will start working for you. Thank you very much for watching my video and following my channel, and I hope so I will bring you more video every month, and I hope so this it's helping you if you're starting, or even if you are doing this longer time. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.